what's going on, everyone? Jocelyn Ashkenani here, and Callie, if you can see her. And today's vlog picks up in Cebu City, or more generally, the island of Cebu, which chances are, if you're visiting the Philippines, you'll either fly into Manila, which is in the north, or Cebu City, which is in the south. Now, our vlog picks up with Lindsey arriving. We're gonna rent scooters and drive roughly about 2.5 hours from Cebu City down to Mongapukko Falls, which was absolutely breathtaking. It may not be as well known as Kawasan, but no less beautiful. The main falls was at least 250 feet tall, if not 300. And then there's a second layer of incredibly beautiful smaller falls that we actually had all to ourselves. So that is the benefit of going to some of these lesser known falls. We can't speak more highly of the Philippines. The people were incredible. You see that in this vlog as well. And just how beautiful the country is. So this was our day's adventure. Lindsey did an amazing job getting us here in one piece. About like 2.5 hours, I would say. I'm moped riding. She's got coal face, I don't know. But we're about to go check out this waterfall.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember.
And that was our one day in Cebu, so I was happy to make the most of it. Incredible island, so much more to see there. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, smash that like, click that subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.
How do you say goodbye?
Goodbye?
In Filipino. Bye-bye. That is Tagalog. For Bisaya is bye-bye. Oh, you would say bye-bye? Oh, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.